Here's the breakdown on a Helios replacement hardware set. You'll get 4 color-coded bags. Your green bag is 3/16 and 1/8 inch rubber retention spacers. These are the alternates that you'll use in these 4 corners if you're switching back and forth between a Modlite Gen 2 and a Cloud Defensive MCH. Your blue bag is going to be 4 serrated screw posts and 4 1/4-inch screws. Those are the ones that go right in here. The screw posts go inside the shell facing out, and then the screws go through the belt bite, attaching it to the shell. Your yellow bag is going to be your belt bite end hardware. That's these screws, these spacers, these posts, and you can move them up and down from hole to hole to adjust for belt width. And then those are the ones you snug down, flare out that rubber spacer, and it bites onto the belt, takes the slack out, and makes it lock up tight on your belt. The last set, your red bag, are the standard retention spacers, screws, and posts that come pre-installed on the Helios. So that's these 4 screws, these spacers, these ones, and these 4 screw posts on the back. So if you have lost any of these, the red bag hardware is what you want. If you need to change, it comes set up for a Modlite Gen 2 head. If you need to change to the Cloud Defensive MCH, you will replace those 1/4-inch spacers with a combination of the 3/16 and 1/8 inch spacers from the green bag. That's your whole hardware kit breakdown. Thank you very much.